up with doubt. I'm learning how to turn around all the voices in my head. I think I found my favorite sound. I think I found my favorite sound. Do you take the time to recognize yourself? Do you spin like a carousel? I want you to know that it's okay to ask for help. We all need help, we all need help. Shouldn't apologize for just existing. Shouldn't apologize for just being me. Trying to hide behind all my distractions. Okay when the quiet comes. When it all dies down, it gets so loud. All the voices in my head just try to fill me up with doubt. I'm learning how to turn around all the voices in my head. I think I found my favorite sound.